Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and another video about Microsoft Word. And I think the last video I published was okay and you loved it. So I decided to do something else in Microsoft Word because I believe this application is the most useful and actually the most important application in the world. It's my opinion actually. So let's go talk about something else. In the last part, I talked about font part, font tool actually. Now I want to talk about the color. I think it's good to know about color in Word, how to change color, how to make a color, how to apply some effects, some colorful effects. Okay, let's go. I want to write something down the page. As I said, you can choose the size with this one. Now I want to apply some color. Actually, I want to change its black color to the red one. In this part, you can see it's A and its font color. Change the color of your text. Click on this one and you can see some colors. They are some default colors. They are some standard and actually dim colors and they are completely default. For example, you want pink. You can't see pink color among all these colors. So how can you make a pink color? Just click on more colors and in this part you can see a shape. It's like a spectrum of lots of colors and you can choose pink one. You see, it's a pink color. Maybe you want to change it. Maybe you want to actually change its degree, more darker, more lighter. How could you do that? If you click on color, more colors, and go to the custom, in this part we have a color spectrum. You can see lots of things. It's red degree, it's green degree, and it's blue degree. And it says, do you want RGB color or HSL? I choose RGB as a default, and you need to choose RGB as well. So I want to more lighter pink. We can see this is my current color, and this is my new color I want to change it to. So I want more light, more and more better color. Actually, I want to have a better color. I want to have lighter color. So, for example, I choose this one. You can see this is the light one. Let me type something else. Now I want to change this pink color to a dark pink. Go to the more color and custom and see a dark pink, a light pink. We can see the difference. Okay, now let me show you something else. For example, uh, you want to have a blue color. This is another example. Now I want to change its degree. I want to customize it. It's the result. So let's go to the part we call it gradient. What is the gradient? We go to the gradient part. At first you need to choose a color for yourself. I want to choose green. Now if you click on gradient, you can see lots of gradients and actually you can create your own gradient. In this part you can choose your own gradient without any default mistake. And actually, if you don't want, I believe it's a waste of time to make your own gradient because we have lots of gradient, light variations and dark variations. For example, I choose this one. You can see a very beautiful gradient on this text. Maybe you want a dark one. Oh, this is a this is the important point. If you choose a gradient, you can't apply another new gradient because you have already chosen actually a gradient. You have already chosen a gradient. If you want a new gradient, just back, choose your color, and again, I want a dark gradient. Now I want to choose a light one again, get back, and light one. Very simple. Now let's go talk about this one. It's a highlight color. And what is that? I want to actually bold my text. This is bold, but it's just bold my letters. I want to colorize them and I want to make a highlight. For example, you are using a highlighter marker on your paper, but this one is in Word, Microsoft Word. You want to choose a marker. Choose this one, make your text pop by highlighting it in a bright color. And you can choose lots of colors. And this is no color. There's a limitation. We have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just we have 15 color. It's not like this part you can choose your own color. No, there are some defaults, and actually all of them are just them. You can't choose your own highlight. For example, let me type something, blah, 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 blah. I want to, for example, highlight this one. But let me explain to you, why do you want to highlight something? Because you want to show the person, the reader, this is the most important part. This is more important than other words. You can highlight them, and actually you can change it color too. For example, I want to highlight this number with another, or actually pink. Pink, okay, pink. But actually it's a purple one. I want to choose blue one. You can see, it's all about color. There is nothing else you want need to know. And I believe it's enough for color part. Thank you so much.